Hi guys, here is how I clone my voices to Dracula and Andrew Tate using RVC project.
Hi guys, so I'm using this sample photo with Deep Live Cam and the OBS Studio.
To make a DeepFake call on WhatsApp, let me quickly call it, and you can see the DeepFake video. Check the description on how to do this. Thank you very much.
To do that, simply go to this RVC GitHub page. I will provide the link. Click on Releases. If you have NVIDIA graphics, download this version. If you are using AMD, Intel, simply download this version. After downloading this, you'll get a zip file. The file size is about 3.8 GB. Now simply extract it. I've already extracted the zip file as it takes few minutes to do so. Now in this version, it does not have the web interface to clone voices, so we will have to create that. But it is very simple. Simply duplicate this Go Real-Time GUI file, copy and paste it here. Here is it. I'll rename it to web. Now let's edit it. Right click and edit in the notepad. In here, we need to make a small change. Change this GUI_v1.py to infer-web.py and remove this DML. Make sure to change this to infer-web.py and save it. So this is done. Now let's open this. This may take some time to load. So here is the interface. If this does not open automatically, in this link, replace the 0.0 with localhost and add the port and paste it to the browser. Anyway, now this offers various features, but for this video, we'll only clone our voice to other artists. Here, you can also choose to train the voice which will clone our voice. Anyway, here are the default available voices, which is limited. So go to this website, voice-models.com, and you can download various voices as you want. For instance, let's try with Dracula. Simply click here and it will download the file. Let's check the top voices. See if you like any voices. Or you can also search. Let's look for Andrew Tate's voice. Let's use the one with high epoch. So the file size is about 200 to 300 MB as you can see, and you can download and use as many voices as you like. So the download has been completed. Show in folder. So here are the voices. Let me quickly extract it here. Extract here. So here is it. If I open this, you will find .pth and .index file. These are what we need. Let me quickly extract Dracula as well. And here are the files. Now we need to copy this to the right folder to use them. Go back to the RCB folder and go to Assets and to Widgets. This is our main folder, and go to Assets and Widgets and copy the .pth file. I will cut it. So it's here. Let's copy the text one too. Copy the .pth file and paste it here. Now go back to the main folder again and open the folder logs. Here we need to copy the .index file. Let me move this one to logs folder. Here is the text one. And now again move the Dracula one here. So it is done. Basically, we added 2 voices for now, but you can add as much voices as you want. So this is done. Let me close this as well. Now you should find the new voices here. If it is missing here, then simply refresh the voice list index path. And here you can see Dracula and Tate voice. Let's try with Dracula. You can transpose this and raise the octave by 12. Here are some settings for you to play with, so please experiment. Anyway, here add the audio file to be processed. Here I have my own sample audio taken from one of my shorts. So this is how it sounds. Hi guys, so I'm using this sample photo with DeepLive Cam and the OBS Studio to make a deepfake call on WhatsApp. Let me quickly call it, and you can see the deepfake video. Check the description on how to do this. Thank you very much. Now that's my sample voice from one of my shorts. Let's convert it into Dracula's voice. We need to add the audio path too. For that, right-click on the audio file and copy as path. And paste it here. Leave this feature index to default. In here, we can choose the exact index file. So for Dracula, here is the one. Here you can choose the settings. PM is faster but low quality. Harvest is better but extremely slow. Crate is better quality but uses high GPU. And RMVPE is best quality with little GPU. So I will use this. You can also tweak these settings as per your requirements. So let's try to convert it. And it is done.
Hi guys, so I'm using this sample photo with DeepLive Cam and the OBS Studio to make a deepfake call on WhatsApp. Let me quickly call it, and you can see the deepfake video. Check the description on how to do this. Thank you very much.
So that's the audio in Dracula's voice. You can also download this. So it's saved. Now let's try with Andrew Tate's voice. I will simply choose Tate. The audio is same and change the Tate index. And let's try to convert it. Again, please play with the settings to get better results. Each voices are different. So it's done. Let's listen to it.
Hi guys, so I'm using this sample photo with DeepLive Cam and the OBS Studio to make a deepfake call on WhatsApp. Let me quickly call it, and you can see the deepfake video. Check the description on how to do this. Thank you very much.
To make it more relevant, we can add these settings and find the best match that works. We really hope this video was useful to you. Thank you very much.